Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi expressed grave concerns over the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Manipur during 0 hour in Lok Sabha today. He criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for their lack of direct engagement and called for urgent intervention to address the deteriorating situation in the state. Gogoi accused the government of prioritizing diversionary tactics, such as focusing on issues like George Soros, over the pressing crisis in Manipur. He highlighted the failure of deploying paramilitary forces and enforcing Armed Forces Special Power Act, AFSPA, in addressing the root causes of violence. The Congress leader painted a bleak picture of Manipur, citing rampant extortion, collapse of local economy, and surge in illegal activities, including arms trafficking, drug trade, and illegal timber businesses. He also drew attention to disruption of basic services with frequent shutdown of schools and colleges and healthcare facilities damaged, leaving thousands of students and patients in distress. Gogoi remarked that fear and uncertainty have now permeated every corner of Manipur and demanded Amit Shah to make a detailed statement in Parliament to outline the government's plan to restore peace and stability.
I rise to discuss the grave and humanitarian situation in Manipur. The entire state is in a humanitarian crisis. And instead of finding a solution, the government is sending paramilitary forces and enforcing the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. This is not addressing the cycle of violence. Extortion has become rampant. Economy is shattered. Basic public services are on the brink of collapse. Unfortunately, there has been a rise in the illegal trade of arms, drugs, and timber. The impact on the lives of ordinary people has been devastating. School, colleges closed. Thousands of students, their education is at risk. Healthcare facilities damaged or destroyed. Fear and uncertainty has gripped the population. Madam Chairperson, the time for inaction is over. The people of Manipur are suffering. They have only 3 questions in mind. The first question is, when will the Prime Minister visit Manipur? The second question is, when will the Minister of Home Affairs apprise the House that what will be taken to resolve the situation? And the third is that this government, in order to hide their failure in Manipur, is using George Soros as a shield to hide their failures. They hide their failures.
And let the nation know what is the connection between George Soros and all these internal disturbances. The Congress party is responsible for internal disturbances in the country, and they are using foreign forces. They have a nexus and a tie-up with foreign forces, due to which the country is facing internal problems. The Congress party is solely responsible for this situation. The Manipur situation is being tackled very adroitly at the highest level. I would like to ask the Congress party, when did their Prime Minister ever visit any of the northeastern states?